Did you know that fibroids are the most common tumors of the uterus in females, but most often ignored? I am Dr. Chanchal Gupta. I am Director and Head of the Department Obstetrics and Gynecology at Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital, Greater Faridabad. Today, I'll talk about what fibroids are, what are the symptoms of the fibroids, and what we can do for them. So, fibroids can be present at any age in a female. They can be even if you are a young, unmarried, or in a reproductive age group, or in the later part also. And they can be asymptomatic. It means you just get your ultrasound done for some other reason and you just find that there's a fibroid in your uterus. But at times they can be symptomatic. And what can be the symptoms? You can have menstrual problems, like you have more frequency of the periods, heavier periods, painful periods. Then it can present as infertility. You're trying to conceive, but you cannot conceive because of the fibroids. Your uterus size becomes larger and you feel pressure symptoms if it is a large fibroid. So do we require surgery for all fibroids? No, not always. If the fibroids are smaller and not troubling, no surgery is required. They can be managed conservatively or हम medical management दे सकते हैं. But surgery definitely is required in cases if it is a larger fibroid and it is troubling, which can be done laparoscopically or robotically. If the fibroid is in the uterus, we can remove it even hysteroscopically. But in case your family is completed and you don't want to retain your uterus, you are in an age group more than 45 years, uterus removal is also an answer for this treatment. So don't be scared about all the fibroids. All fibroids do not need to be removed. They can be managed conservatively. But don't ignore your fibroids. You need to get to the doctor to get an advice on what you want to do with the fibroids. To conclude, if you have fibroids, so consult a gynecologist and get an advice on what you need to do for those fibroids. Thank you.